Hi everyone, I'm Ratika. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to create this makeup look. This is a very simple makeup with bold eye look. And all the products that I use today are from L'Oreal Paris. And guess what? I only used 3 products. Now, if you watched my previous haul video, you must know what products I'm talking about, and this video is going to helpful for those ladies and girls out there who don't have much products in their kit but still want to look fabulous. And as you can see, there are colors going on my eyes, on my cheeks, and of course on my lips. And yes, I have used foundation to cover up my face. And now you must be like, did you really use only 3 products to create this look? And the answer is yes. Now the next question will be like, how? Well, to find out the answer of this question, you need to watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to show you some tips and tricks by which you can create different makeup looks using only 3 products that you have. So without any further ado, let's get started. Starting with my face, first I'm taking L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I'm in the shade Natural Beige. First I'm spreading this foundation all around my face, and then using a brush I'm blending this into my skin. This is a matte foundation, but I noticed this gives you a demi matte finish which looks quite natural in sunlight, and also it blends very fast. Talking about the formula of this foundation, it is medium to high coverage, and one thing you need to keep in mind while using this foundation is that because it is a matte foundation, so you need to be very quick in blending, otherwise it may start settling on your face. Moving to the second product, I have this Rouge Signature Matte Liquid Lipstick. The shade is 132 I Radiate, and I'm using this as my eyeshadow base today. This lipstick has water-like consistency, and also it is a weightless formula. And this is such a beautiful pinky brown color. That is something which will go with most of the Indian skin tones. So first I'm taking a fluffy pointed brush and I'm using this lipstick on my lid. This is the only color I'm going to use on my eyes. That is why I'm going to spread it all over my lid and blending it. And this formula is non-sticky, so you can definitely use this on your eyes as an eyeshadow like I'm doing in this video, and you won't feel this heavy on your eyes whatsoever. One more thing, if you are a beginner and you don't have any eye brushes, you can use your fingers as well to blend this lipstick because it blends super duper easily. Now the second way of using this lipstick is as a blush. So I'm going in with the wand directly and placing this color on my cheeks, and then blending this formula with my fingers. And again, you don't need any separate tool for this, just blend the product with your fingers. I'm actually going to apply a little bit more because I'm quite liking how beautiful it is looking as a blush. Third and the last product is the mascara. This is L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. It gives you a nice thick volume without any clumps, and it is super duper long lasting. And of course, for the lips, I'm going to use the same lipstick that I used as my eyeshadow and the blush. So that's all I had for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you recreate this makeup look, then please don't forget to tag me on my social media handles. I personally loved this makeup look. Like seriously, nobody can tell you I have used lipstick as an eyeshadow base. So yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and also subscribe to my channel. I see you soon in my next video guys. Till then, bye.